Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my third tutorial on HTML and CSS. Today we are going to talk about header and paragraphs. So let me start deleting this blah blah everything. So let me write, this is my website. Sorry, this is my website. So how could I make this is my website the header? I will come to that, and let me do something here. Hey guys, I really love you all. So as you have seen here, I think it's gonna pop up like I wrote it. So let me check out, see what I got here. Hey, as you have seen, my body is here. This is my website here. I really love you all. Okay, I didn't write I love you all right, so let me correct it. So let me put point here. So let me check my save it, see, refresh. Really awesome here. So how can I make this is my website my header? The way you are going to, that is something called h1. H1 is header, means header 1. So let me put my h1 here and see what am I going to get here. Then h1 close, then h1. So this is my website right now. Is going to be my header and going to be bold, bigger. So let me put something here. Okay, let me check out how it's going to be. So now you have seen here my header is going big. This is my website, and here is my, hey, I really love you guys. So this is how to make header by using HTML and CSS. So as you have seen here, this is my header, how to make a header. So let me check how to make a paragraph. And so let me do this. What am I going to write, because I'm a little bit crazy right now. Let me try. Something awesome. So as you have seen here, I make a paragraph right now. So let me see how it's going to, let me save it. Let me see how it's going to pop. So how can I cut this, try and make something awesome here to come down over my, under my here I really love you guys. So that's what we call paragraph. You see now I get a paragraph, but it's not show up here. So the way you are going to use paragraph is two ways. You can put I think it's called bracket, not bracket. So I don't know, but the spelling is BR. So let me try to show you something. Let me put start BR space slash. So let me try this. So I've seen here, come down over my, under my I love you, so that's how to make a paragraph using break, yes, break, that's what called. So the other way is to do like this. um but P is for paragraph, so I'm going to write P, and my end of my paragraph is going to be here. Yep. So let me save it and see. I've seen here it's coming down the way I do it like last time. So as you have seen here, let me print this paragraph, the my second header, and see how header 2 looks like, and have header 1, header 2, header 3 up to 4. So let me try 2. I think I'll put my header in, so it's in here. So header, see, up to 5, as you've seen here. I don't know how many times it's going to be, but all I know is 4. So let me save this. See, so you have seen here header 1 is bigger than header 2, and here is my paragraph that I did. So if I do something like here, it will want to pop up, as you see here. So thank you guys for watching my video. See you next week. And next week's subject is going to be awesome. It's how to put your picture in your website. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week, inshallah. And next week is going to, as I told you, next week is going to be really awesome.